When you first arrive on the Via Benefits website, the layout immediately shows that the platform is designed to assist retirees and individuals seeking health, Medicare, dental, and vision insurance options. The homepage places an emphasis on Medicare-related coverage, making it clear that the service is aimed at those transitioning from employer-provided health plans into retirement benefits. Navigation is fairly straightforward, with menus for enrollment, resources, and customer support. However, the design feels somewhat outdated, which may frustrate users who expect a modern and seamless digital experience. As I navigate through the site, I notice that the account creation and login process is required before accessing personalized options. This makes sense given the sensitive nature of healthcare information, but it also means you cannot explore much without committing to registering. The portal itself, once logged in, gives you tools to compare various plans. These comparisons include monthly premiums, deductible amounts, copay structures, and coverage networks. While these tools are useful, they can be overwhelming if you're not familiar with insurance terminology. One of the standout features is the ability to filter plans based on specific needs, such as prescription drug coverage or preferred doctors. However, the interface for doing this feels clunky at times, and I found myself clicking back and forth to locate all the relevant information. It does deliver accurate results, but the user experience could benefit from streamlining. Via Benefits also provides educational resources such as articles and FAQs that explain Medicare enrollment periods, supplemental coverage, and what options retirees have after leaving employer health insurance. These resources are informative, but some of the explanations use industry jargon that may confuse first-time users. A more simplified approach could make the platform more approachable. The customer support section highlights phone assistance as a primary method of communication. While this may be helpful for older users who prefer speaking with a representative, the lack of robust live chat or modern support tools could be a drawback for others. Based on user feedback I've encountered, the support team is generally knowledgeable, but wait times can vary, especially during peak enrollment periods. From a transparency standpoint, Via Benefits does well in displaying plan costs and coverage details without burying important information in fine print. However, the volume of choices can make decision-making stressful. The website could do more to guide users step by step, rather than placing all responsibility on them to interpret insurance terms. This can be especially difficult for retirees who may not be tech-savvy. I also want to mention the accessibility of the site. While it does include text resizing and some accessibility features, it is not as polished as other healthcare portals. The outdated visual design combined with complex navigation may create friction for older users. The site works well on desktop, but the mobile experience is limited. If you are someone who prefers handling your insurance needs on a smartphone, you may find the lack of mobile optimization disappointing. When comparing Via Benefits to other insurance marketplaces, its advantage lies in its specialized focus on retirees and Medicare-related coverage. Unlike general insurance platforms, Via Benefits is tailored for this demographic. The downside is that it feels less flexible and more rigid in terms of user freedom. Overall, my experience with Via Benefits is mixed. On the positive side, the platform provides comprehensive options, accurate comparisons, and solid educational materials. On the negative side, the outdated interface, lack of modern support channels, and sometimes confusing information can make the process more difficult than it should be. This is an honest assessment of what you can expect if you decide to use Via Benefits for your insurance needs. If you found this review helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like so more people can benefit from an honest user experience breakdown of Via Benefits.